What's up, guys? Terra Classic is pumping again. Let's check it out. Just keeps going up. All right, so we have Terra Classic here. Check this out. Another big leg up here. Pump is continuing. So this is pretty sweet. So let's check out how far we've pumped so far. So from the bottom to the top, we have, let's see, about 85% pump. So yeah, this entire pump now from bottom to top, we're up to 85%. So that's some amazing gains. So congratulations to everyone. I'm sure if you've been watching my videos, then you probably hold Terra Classic, I would assume. I mean, I've been saying to buy Terra Classic this entire time here because I've been saying usually when the price is going flat and it's super boring, that's usually when the big moves happen. Just like back here, we saw the price flat and boring, and then suddenly, boom, huge pump. So I was saying, I think we're likely to see that again, and I even made a video right here titled "Your Last Chance to Buy Terra Classic." Here you can check it out right here. Your last chance to buy Terra LUNA Classic. So yep, and we see right here. That's when I made the video. Right here. So hopefully you saw that video and you stocked up for this huge pump, because I was saying I think we're getting very close to a big move coming, just like we saw back here, because we have these huge catalysts coming, the staking of course, and the 1.2% burn. So I mean, the staking is working out great. We're seeing the price pump like crazy because of this. So question is, how high can this pump go? So we do have, we're running into resistance right now at about 15. So we finally pumped up to test this resistance. Temporarily went above it, but now it's given us some resistance, of course. And what we need to see happen is we want to see a daily candle close above this resistance. If that happens, then that could be the start of a really massive pump, because then we have some blue skies ahead of us where we can just take off. But good chance we could go a little bit sideways here at this resistance before we see that happen. That's, I would say, a little more likely than just blowing right through it right off the bat, but we'll see what happens. We'll be watching this daily candle. Once it closes, we'll know. If it closes above, then we can expect a really massive pump to come very soon. All right. And of course, we want high volume too. The higher the volume, the more confident we can be that the pump will continue. Volume is looking good right now. We're at 268 million in volume, up 87%. Market cap is just about at $1 billion now. I think it was at $1 billion a little earlier, up when the price was up on this wick here. But yeah, $1 billion market cap. That's probably giving us some psychological resistance at that level as well. But yeah, one other thing, some people have been concerned that Bitcoin might dump and stop our pump here, but Bitcoin has been dumping, pretty much has been dumping, and Terra Classic just keeps pumping, hasn't mattered. But also we have support, big support at 19,000, and I think we're likely to see a bounce there. Looks like we might already be seeing a bounce. But if Bitcoin does break below 19,000, then we could see a massive dump that could crash the whole market. Again, just like one of these, potentially. And that could potentially stop this pump a bit. But so far that hasn't happened. So 19,000 is the level to watch. And let's see. Yeah, one other thing I wanted to show you guys is the staking over here. So staking is actually reducing the circulating supply, because whenever you stake tokens, it's taken out of the circulating supply. So let's go over to Terra Station. It shows the staking ratio here, 5.79%. So that means 5.79% of all tokens are staked, which means the supply has gone down by that amount, and that is 400 billion tokens. So this circulating supply It's not updated on CoinMarketCap yet, but it should say 6.1 trillion instead of 6.5 trillion. So that's pretty sweet. We're just seeing, and we're seeing the tokens or the circulating supply go down, and more people keep staking every day. So we're just seeing the supply continually go down, which could potentially cause the price to keep pumping. I mean, so far it has just keeps going up. So not only are we having the supply going down thanks to staking, but also we have the 1.2% burn coming in just a few weeks in the middle of September. So it's like the perfect storm kind of. And not only is the supply going down, but people are wanting to buy in now in anticipation of this 1.2% burn, because of course you want to get in before it actually starts. So yeah, potentially we could see the price just keep pumping all the way up until the 1.2% burn as people buy in anticipation of it. So next few weeks could get crazy. Maybe we could even get to 1/10 of a cent if things really get crazy. That would be like best case scenario. More likely we're going to need the 1.2% burn to be implemented to get to 1/10 of a cent. I think that's definitely going to make it a lot easier. So, but we'll see what happens. It's going to be a crazy few weeks, and of course I'll keep you guys updated on the price action and everything going on. But yeah, tons of people staking right now. Already 400 billion Luna has been staked. And what is the staking return? So this is showing over 1,000,000%, but we know that can't be right. It can't actually be 1,000,000% because that's ridiculous. So, and let's see, daily is showing 4% per day, which is also insanely high rewards. So maybe this could be assuming that UST, like they may be giving rewards in UST and assuming UST is pegged to $1 still, which would make the rewards seem way higher than they actually are, with USDC actually being at like 2 cents, not $1. So that might be why it's showing insane rewards. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, as more people stake, the rewards are going to go down. So, when staking was first re-enabled and nobody was staking, the rewards probably were ridiculously high. But of course, as soon as people start staking, it goes down fast. So maybe people who staked in the first few hours got some massive rewards. I heard some people did. I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah, the more people stake, it goes down. And now I'm hearing people are getting between 8% per year to around 100% per year. So I don't know, hearing a lot of different numbers from different people. So if you are staking Terra Classic, leave a comment on what rewards you're seeing so we can all compare and see what's going on. Maybe it also depends on what validator you're staking with, because I'm hearing a lot of different numbers from people. So, I mean, it's sounding like people are getting different amounts of rewards, but it could just be that the rewards are steadily going down as more people stake too. All right, and then I already showed you guys how to stake and everything. If you want to know that, just watch the previous video, but I wanted to show you guys one thing real quick. So here we have the top voting power, which is basically who most people are staking with, these validators. And you see these top two are 0 commission. These have a commission. And let me show you this. So Interstellar Lounge, 2% commission. All right. But this actually yesterday, I remember, was 1% commission. But so what you got to pay attention to is, even if it says 0% commission, there's going to be a max, which is how much they can raise their commission to, and a max daily change, which is how much they can change it each day, and last change. So they changed their commission 9 hours ago, and they can do it 1% per day. And yep, they raised it by 1%, because yesterday it was 1%, now it's 2%. So you got to watch out for that. So like, for example, if you're staking with Interstellar Lounge, maybe you staked with them when it was 1%. Well, now they raised it to 2%. So, and they could raise it tomorrow again, another percent. They could do it every day all the way up to 20% commission. So you want to keep an eye on that. And that's why I recommended Orion Money, because their max is only 10% and they can only raise it 0.5% per day. So, but yeah, of course, stake with whoever you want. Lunc DAO's pretty nice. They're all about burning and good stuff for the community. So they do have a higher commission, but they're cool too. All right, so yeah, if you want to know more about staking, watch my previous video. But otherwise, this is beautiful. I'll keep you guys updated on whether we're breaking resistance or not and where the price is headed. But otherwise, beautiful stuff. We have the 1.2% burn still coming up in September. So still a lot to look forward to. And yeah, let me know your guys' price predictions. Otherwise, like and subscribe if you found value in this video, and share this video so that the whole world can find out about Terra Classic. But most importantly, thanks for watching till the very end. You guys are the real ones. And I'll see you later.